Welcome to the kitchen. All of this in front of us here is going to become a super simple turmeric hummus. So we've got a 400 gram tin of chickpeas, which has been mostly drained of its liquid. We've reserved around about 5 or 6 tablespoons of the liquid in the chickpeas. We've got some tahini, some olive oil. Mine are quite small, so I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. I've also got a lemon, which we're going to use the juice of. And then I've got some fresh turmeric. You could absolutely use dried turmeric in this recipe. You'd want around about a tablespoon of dried turmeric. So all we need to do is we need to get all of these ingredients all mixed together and put them in a blender, and that's how easy it is. So let's get that done. So we can take all of our ingredients, we can carefully put them into our blender. And we'll also add a generous pinch of salt as well. And then if we can work out how the lid goes on, there we go. We can turn it on at the wall. We can just get that going. And once it's blended for 30 seconds or so, that's just done. Our beautiful hummus is ready, so we'll just put it into our serving dish. Using a spatula to make sure we get as much of it out as possible. And with this you can change the ingredients however you want. So if you like it a bit thicker, don't put as much liquid in it. If you want, you could add some ginger, make it a turmeric and ginger, or you can make it just ginger. You can really kind of chop and change it and make it the side dish, the dip that you want. Just give that a bit of a smooth around. And what we can do, we can get just a little bit of olive oil, just drizzle that extra little bit of olive oil over the top. And here I've got some dukkha, which is a kind of seed and nut mix. It's got things like dried chickpeas in, so it matches the chickpeas in the hummus. It's got coriander, it's got cumin, all those kind of lovely, kind of warming, spicy flavours. So we can just sprinkle a little bit of that on top as well. And that's our super simple, super tasty turmeric hummus.